Today we're gonna switch things up and I'm gonna take some pictures of some shoes I just picked up at the mall. And I'm at the basketball court because I felt like this is the appropriate location for the shoes that I got. So we're gonna go out there and take some pictures. So I think I'm gonna end up shooting on the Sigma 30mm 1.4 because I don't want a lens that's too zoomed in, because I want the background and the surroundings to be captured in the shots too. So I'm assuming that the 30mm is gonna be perfect for this, but we will see when I get there. So as you can see, we are on the court now, and let me show you the shoes. So now I just need to find out how I'm going to set up the shot and what I want to do with it, because I don't have a clue. I felt it would look good on the court with the fence and the green court and all that stuff like that. So I have the shoe at the free throw line, and the 30mm was good enough for what I was going to go for. So we're going to take a picture of the one shoe first and see how that looks. So now I'm pretty much just chasing the light rays, and I got this shot, as you can see, on the ground right there, and it's around a little crack on the ground that I found, and it looked pretty cool. So the sun is backlighting it, so it gives it a nice shadow in front of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this picture, and we're gonna see how this one comes out. So I just got an idea to get a shot with the shoes incorporated with the basketball goal. So I'm gonna need a wider lens. The 30mm not gonna work, so I'm gonna switch to the 16mm to see if I can get some of the gold into the shot. So my brother had a good idea of what to do with the shoes.
My idea was take the shoestrings, tie it on that fence over there.
That fence over here.
Fence.
Right.
And have a nice little kind of hanging off the fence portrait with both the shoes. I think it's gonna be a good idea.
Let's try it and see. So the shot looked good, but the 16 ain't gonna get it. Gotta switch lenses. Switch to the 50, see if they get it.
Y'all see the work. Y'all see the work. That's a good picture. That's a good picture.
What can I say?
Yeah, give me a credit.
You got it.
You gotta get some credit.
I still had to take the picture and edit it though.
You would never had that picture if I would never said nothing.
You right. So I didn't get that many shots, but I don't really know what I'm doing. What are you doing?
I'm just doing me, dog.
So I didn't get that many shots, but I didn't really intend to get that many. I just wanted to test my ability to go out and shoot the shoes. And what are you doing?
Oh, I ain't just in a minute, bro.
All right. He getting it. But if you like the video, be sure to give me a like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram for the rest of the pictures, and I will see you guys next time.
Look at this. Talking about me. Look at this. Talking about me. Oh, the trinkets. Yes, indeed. Talk about me. He want to talk about me. Look at this. He want to talk about me. What you got to say to the camera?
I ain't bad for real.